Sioux Falls murder suspect could still face the death penalty if convicted.
That was the ruling handed down by a circuit court judge in the case against Amir Baudouin Jr. Amir Baudouin Jr. is facing 15 counts, including first-degree murder, second-degree murder, aggravated kidnapping, rape, and robbery. Baudouin, who was 19 at the time, is accused of killing 20-year-old Pascalina Botti back in January of 2020. Court papers say that Baudouin followed Botti through the Walmart parking lot on East Arrowhead Parkway, where she worked, in the early morning hours of January 5th. The next day, authorities found Botti dead along the side of the road south of Sioux Falls in Lincoln County. Prosecutors said during a news conference that Baudouin was tied to the killing thanks to forensics.
Video evidence from various businesses around town, and I would offer a kudos to them as well. Everyone with a surveillance camera on a potential route that may have been taken by this suspect was contacted and worked well in presenting or providing evidence.
Baudouin's attorney recently filed motions declaring that South Dakota's capital sentencing process and the death penalty unconstitutional for a teenage suspect. A psychologist who was hired by the defense testified that late teens, because their brains are not yet fully developed, are still predisposed to impulsive and risk-seeking behavior. He said they strive for rewards and are less concerned about punishment than adults. But in today's ruling, the judge wrote, in nearly 20 years of attorneys trying to protect teens and young adults from the death penalty by moving the age limit to 21 or below, the U.S. Supreme Court has not moved that line. So the judge has denied both motions. Baudouin's attorney could still file a motion to have Baudouin declared intellectually disabled. And if that happens, State's Attorney Tom Woolman tells Kettleland News that he will consider filing an intermediate appeal. Well, the murder, rape, and kidnapping case is one of 6 pending cases against Baudouin. Prior to his 2020 arrest, the 19-year-old was on probation for having a gun with an altered serial number. In May of 2019, he was accused of assaulting law enforcement. And on January 1st, just days before alleged murder, he's accused of attempting to kidnap a woman outside of a grocery store. He's also accused of committing 2 crimes inside the Minnehaha County Jail. In April of 2021, he was accused of assaulting a correctional officer. 3 months later, he was accused of being caught with 5 homemade shanks.